King County Dispatch.
Yes, hi. My name is Erica, and I am the HR Human Resources Manager at located in Crescent Springs, Kentucky.
Okay.
The reason for my, I'm sorry?
No, I said okay. Go ahead, ma'am.
Okay. The reason for my call is we have an employee that has not reported to work in almost a week, and that's not like her. We've called, we've texted with no response,
Okay.
and it's just not like her. And I wanted to initiate a well check.
Okay.
The 911 call was made on December 15, 2022 regarding Amberly Harris, who had been missing from quite some time. The independent Kentucky police didn't take much time to pay a visit at her house, where she lived with her boyfriend Tommy Powell.
Okay. Hello. Hey, a minute. Is Amberly here? Amberly? She passed away.
What? You did what?
I can't hear you.
I shot her.
Okay, hold on. Come here.
Where is she?
Come inside. Oh, you're good. Just put your hands on my back.
Where
Brady,
is she?
watch inside, Brady.
What?
Officers never imagined that the simple welfare check would turn out to be a chilling confession. Powell's first words for the police were that he had killed his girlfriend, Amberly. It almost looked like he was waiting for this moment.
Independence Police Unit, make yourself known! Go. Watch your footing. Watch your footing. Clear in here, right? Huh? Clear. Independence Police Unit, make yourself known!
Hey, Sparta, make yourself known!
Go.
Oh, she's down.
What?
She's down.
What's more units?
Independence Police, make yourself known! Independence Police, make yourself known!
Okay. You're good. Do you have any weapons on you?
Make yourself known!
Alright. Clear.
K-132 and K-138, turn toward 4653 Beach Grove, 4653 Beach Grove.
Engine clear.
132.
Alright, hold on, man.
13-star squad.
10-4.
If Independence 7 is on, mark him, contact 1, 2, and 3. 4.
Copy.
Independence 3 up clear. What was the shooting?
9-4.
What's your name?
Check, mail subject over the door, admitted to
Tommy?
shot the victim.
Okay.
Just sit in your car.
10-4.
Yeah, we'll work that out in a second, but I gotta make sure my guys inside are okay. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in court. You have the right to an attorney before making a statement and have your attorney with you during questioning. You cannot afford an attorney desire when the court appoint one for you. You may stop questioning any time by refusing to answer further or requesting consult with your attorney. Do you understand these rights, Tommy? All right. Is there anyone else inside? Is it just her?
All my pups.
Okay, is it just Amberly? All right. Is it contained in there? When did all this just happen?
Sunday night. Except Monday morning, Sunday.
Monday morning. It's secure in there, right? I'm going to tell them to slow down.
No one else is in here. No, keep them covered.
All right. Do you have any weapons on you?
No, sir.
You're good, Tommy. Just hold on, man. Hold on.
26, cut yourself off.
You also can open the channel. Tommy, what's your
One more traffic on county channel.
what's your social?
I'm trying to figure this right now.
You're good, Tommy.
A little too tight.
A little too tight. Hold on a second. Just take a seat. I'm gonna leave this door cracked. You good? Do you need a squad or anything to check you out? Alright, do you want to tell me what happened here?
We're fighting. He's trashing my shit again.
Okay.
Independence 26 on channel 2.
26, yeah.
Tommy J. Powell.
You good? 26, I didn't copy it.
Tommy J. Powell. Affirmative.
That's not for. Middle initials J, right?
He does have an NCIC, no extradition out of Indiana. Otherwise, he's clear.
I'm clear, thank you. Alright, so what? So, Rami.
Tommy Powell was then taken to the place where all dark secrets and disturbing stories come to light, the interrogation room.
Room real quick, alright?
Anybody? Tommy Powell.
Tommy? Okay. Is this good for him? For the premise? I need. Yeah, what do you want then? Is this for the premises?
Water or Coke or something or what?
Is that what that is?
Coke?
Okay.
Alright. Yeah. Yeah, that's the right one.
Okay. So what's your name, brother?
Tommy Powell.
Tommy Powell. I'm Detective Strine with the Defense Police. This is Detective Young with Ellesmere. Okay. I don't know anything, man. I was at home, just kind of hanging out. Apparently we got a call to your home, dude. What's going on?
Shot my girlfriend.
You shot your girlfriend? Okay.
So, real quick, who lives there?
Amberly Harris.
Whose name's on the lease?
Mine.
Your name's on the lease? Okay.
So, real quick, man, do you mind if we search your residence? You don't mind if we search? Okay. Do you mind signing a document allowing us permission to search your residence? Okay. Also, do you mind uncuffing him, and what we'll do is we'll
Stand up, bud.
Search him again real quick, just to make sure.
Stand up for me, Tommy. I'm just going to search you again just to make sure there's nothing in you. On you.
And once he's been searched,
I know.
you can leave him on handcuffs while we're ready.
Yeah, I just want to make sure you're comfortable while you're in here, man. So,
You don't have gloves on. I left mine in my car.
There's something here in
Let's
this.
say just grab my gloves real quick.
Tommy, give us a few minutes, but we just got to do some stuff procedurally, whatever, we'll get you going, okay?
I had my gloves, but I took them off when we got in the car, so I left them in the car.
Let's sit back down.
Yeah,
Go ahead.
I mean, I got some room temperature Coke if you want to try that, or I got one here too, as soon as we get done, we're doing it.
All right. Back up, buddy.
Take everything.
Yeah, I'm going to make sure nothing's on you, I'm going to uncuff you, and then we're going to be relaxed here in a second.
You're not hurt or anything like that, buddy? You're not cut, scraped, shot at, nothing? You good?
Can you just take a couple steps to your right, just so you're not next to that table?
There you go, you're good.
My wallet. Right there.
Where's your wallet at?
Right here.
Is it in your pocket?
My left pocket, right?
It's not in your pocket, man. I mean, you didn't have it when I first got out with you.
I think that's staying off.
I'm going to take your necklace off. Will it fit over? Yeah, hold on, man. I gotta make sure you got nothing, completely nothing on you. Pick up your right foot for me. All right, can you kick them off real quick? All right, that's good. Just lean up. Lean that foot back up. I just gotta make sure there's nothing in them.
Start it.
You're Good? Right one now.
Okay, 120 commissary, is it ready?
Your right foot. Do your right shoe now. Kick your right foot up.
I'll be taking calls for a minute.
All right, you're good. So you want to slide that back on. And then I'll uncuff you.
10-4. Just information, I have 2 sheriff's deputies en route to 13.
You all have kids?
860 to
Okay. They said there was kid stuff over there. They
Hold on.
said-
Hold on. You don't want to? I gotta uncuff you. It's all good. Ah.
I'm also in service covering those calls, right?
Hey, put him in the front. Handcuff him.
Front.
Yeah. Handcuff in the
Yeah,
front.
sheriff's units could.
It's going to be a lot more comfortable though.
You still be able to drink your drink and everything, Tommy, okay?
10-4. 415, you're clear.
Hi, Dr. Detail.
You want anything to eat, man? You want anything to snack on or anything like that?
Okay. I'm going to put them on the front though. A lot more better for you.
At this point in the video, Tommy started vomiting violently. We've removed the audio and fast-forwarded the footages to spare you the disgust.
You good, brother?
I'm going to leave this right here.
What have you had?
Is it like a stomach bug, Tommy, or do you got the flu? What's going on, buddy? Talk to me. COVID? Okay.
Oh, so you haven't been to the doctor?
Okay. So, Tommy, I know you've been really cooperative with these guys, okay? So here's what I'm going to do real quick. You've already been read this stuff before. I'm going to read it to you just because this is the first time I've interacted with you, okay? And I just want to make sure you understand each of these that I'm going to ask you, okay? I'm sure you've watched cops back in the 90s and whatnot. You know how they do when they talk to people, okay? All right. You know your rights, you said? Okay, so I'm going to read it back to you just because, okay, man? All right, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in court. You have the right to an attorney before making any statement and may have your attorney with you during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney and desire one, the court will appoint one for you. You may stop the questioning at any time by refusing to answer further or by requesting to consult with your attorney. Do you understand each of these rights that I've explained to you, Tommy? Okay. Will you voluntarily waive those rights and speak with me right now? Okay. All right, Tommy. So you kind of walk me through the process of how this kind of went through. And before we kind of begin with that, we have officers that are at your house right now, okay? Obviously, we need to be able to kind of process that scene effectively, and what'll make that scene processing a little bit easier is if you take a look at this consent to search form and allow us access to search your home. Is that okay? Okay. So I'm going to walk this through with you real quick, okay? So how it works is that you're going to sign your name right here. You've been informed by me with the Independence Police, having made proper identification as a law enforcement officer. And if you want me to read this to you, I can. You want me to read it to you? Okay. But you understand that this is just a consent to search your residence, right? You're giving us authorization to go to your home and search the residence. You give us permission, correct? Okay.
So can you read and write and understand English language? And I'm not trying to be that disrespectful. I'm just making sure you can read. So we don't have to read it to you.
Okay. So what I want to do is I want you to, if you could please, if you want to just sign this, that way we can get it over to our officers on scene. Is that okay? All right. So what I want you to do is just sign your name, your first and last name at the top line for me. And I'll move this over here for you, bud. You sure you don't want anything to eat, man? Like crackers or anything?
10 days.
Yeah, 8 10 days. Yeah, I mean, we got snacks, man. We got crackers, we got donuts, believe it or not. We got all kinds of good stuff. So, I mean, you want anything to snack on, kind of settle your stomach a little bit? I mean, we got all kinds of stuff. You mind getting, like, crackers or something there? We'll just set it off here just in case. We got some.
About Doritos, you like Doritos? Salt is what's Doritos.
All right, man. All right, and this basically right here says the above officers, and I'm going to identify myself as Detective Strine, okay? And this here is Officer Spiegel. and Detective Young as well. All right. The above said officers further have my permission to take from my premises and property any letters, papers, materials, or any other property within which they desire as evidence for criminal prosecution in case or cases under investigation. This written permission to search without a search warrant is given by me to you. Is there any other reason you'd be prescribed that medication, Tommy?
Yes. The VA did it.
The VA did it? Okay.
Got it. Sorry.
What you sorry for? Well, like Detective here said, we appreciate you being cool with us. I mean, it goes somewhere, you know.
Is there anything that you've told us this today that,
John 7, I'm in service shift.
or is there anything you haven't told us to this point that you feel like we should know about? Like, for example, would be like, any cameras that might be in your home. Do you have like any Arlos, Ring doorbells, anything like that? What about cell phone? Do you got a cell phone on you?
He had one in his pocket. I have it in my car.
Okay. You don't mind? Have you tried to communicate with anybody since Sunday, by any chance? No? Not like family members, any other friends, her friends perhaps? You haven't tried to talk to them at all? Okay. Did you go anywhere since Sunday?
I went to get a couple packs of cigarettes.
That's right. Where'd you go to?
The liquor box.
The liquor box? Is that the one up near the gas hole in that area right up there? What day was that? Do you remember? You said it was Tuesday? Okay. You a Marlboro man, or what do you smoke Newports, or what?
Anything.
Anything?
You can get your hands on. Anything you can get your hands on.
You remember what packs of cigarettes you bought?
Kentucky Best.
Kentucky Best? I don't think I've tried that one yet. I've always gone with there's a new school, not quite old school, Lucky Strikes, but I'm usually a Marlboro guy myself, so. So you left Tuesday to go get you a couple packs of cigs.
Yeah.
You stayed in the house the rest of the time? Did you go anywhere else? How did you get up there? To the liquor box. I know it's not, did you walk up there? Did you drive up there?
I drove her car.
What kind of car did she drive?
A RAV4.
A RAV4? Okay. Gotcha. We're gonna check off a couple things real quick, Tommy, and then we're gonna see what we can do to get you squared away, man. We don't want to take too much more time here, so just give me a minute, and I'll be right back. Okay.
You good? I know they're not very comfortable, man, but
Hang tight, let me rip on.
I know they ain't very comfortable, but you get why. I mean, I don't know you, man, but you've been cool with me. But that's why I'm letting you in the front. They're a lot better in the front than the back, right? How long you been living in Beach Road?
2 years.
2 years? Where'd you live before that?
Dry Ridge, Kentucky.
Dry Ridge. Is that where you're from? Originally?
Originally.
We're at in Indiana. Rising Sun, Indiana, huh? I've drove by Rising Sun, that's about it.
All right, Tommy, here's what's going to happen, man. We're gonna button some stuff up here, and we're going to take you down to the hospital and get you checked out and take care of business there, okay? And then we'll see what the next phase is. Hang tight here for me. All right, Tommy, we're going to try to get this thing going here. So do me a favor, buddy. Stand up. I'm going to take some pictures of you real quick against this wall. Real quick. We're going to try to be as quick as we can, okay? Do me a favor. Stand up. Stand straight up this way. Kind of look at me. Please don't kick that over. Goodness. I have a mess, and these ladies would kill me. Stand up against that wall for me. See what happens here. Do me a favor. Hold your hands out the best way you can. Kind of tone it down. There you go. You weren't wearing this stuff. Have you been wearing the same outfit since Sunday? You have been? Okay, give me a favor. Turn sideways, face that way a little bit. Towards that way. There you go. Perfect. There you go. Try to stand up for me, okay? Perfect. Appreciate you very much. Give me a favor. Turn the other way for me. I appreciate you, man. Thank you. What about tattoos and stuff like that? You got a bunch of them? Yeah. Okay. All right, perfect. I appreciate you, man. Go ahead and take your seat for me, okay? All right. All right. Try to get this thing all wrapped up here. Tommy, I noticed when I was taking a picture of your hand, what'd you do to your finger there? You had a Band-Aid on it. What'd you do? The other one, right there. No, the other one. Yeah, what is that Band-Aid? Yeah.
Put a diabetes.
Oh, diabetic stuff? Okay. All right. Sounds good. All right, do me a favor. Go ahead and you get your gloves back?
Yeah, I gotta grab some.
Go sit that outside. And then let's get him, put his handcuffs behind him and take him out to the car, take him to the hospital.
Cool.
What's that?
8 out of 11 days.
Yeah, when we get you taken care of, he's going to take you, get up here, let's get you taken care of, okay?
Stand up for me, Tommy.
Just got to say,
I gotta put these behind you again, okay?
Yeah, I definitely.
like I'm a blackout.
Yeah, well, we're good enough right there. Just put your hands back behind your back for me. Sorry. Trying to make them more as comfortable as I can for you. Alright. Good to go?
Yep, put him in there, I'll be right there. So he's in custody, obviously, and during our interview he says he feels like he's going to pass out.
Okay.
The squad checked him out. He says he hasn't eaten in several days. You take him your medicine or no? Says he hasn't taken his Depakote, Seroquel, what else? Trazodone.
Okay.
So we need to get medically cleared to take him to jail.
Got it.
So that's the media request. That should be 40 minutes from us.
And we're just saying we really see the front and so long amount of time.
Yeah.
We're going to move to another room there, Tommy. Good. Alright.
Hello, I'm Dr. Patel. Can you tell me a little bit about what happened to bring you here? Or do you want them to step out a little bit?
We can't leave him. He's in our
Yeah,
custody.
yeah,
He's
he's-
late.
Okay.
He's been pretty forth. He's told us everything that we need to know and everything's going on with him. He's been a good man. Yeah.
And so what brings you here, though?
Okay.
Okay. Now, did you feel sick right after this happened?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. You been taking any medicine?
I was sick there for
Okay.
So you staying with me for a while?
Until I get relieved, and then that cop, whoever comes in, will stay with you, and then after the hospital treats you, you're going to the jail. Just a matter of time. So we got to make sure you're healthy. We don't want you.
I'm 54 years old, and I don't want
Yeah, we get it. You're been cool with us, so we'll try to get you taken care of as much as we can.
All right, Tyler. So you've got first watch. McGuire's going home to get dressed and coming back out, and the sergeants are figuring out the rotation from there forward. I want you to, when you clear here, evidence, logged evidence in, all that stuff or whatever.
I log in all this stuff. Like, am I logging this as evidence?
Yes,
Or?
absolutely. Yep. Yep, everything's closed, all this other stuff or whatever. We'll go from there. Huh?
Phone?
Yeah, let's just take it.
All right.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, let's take it. Let's take it. Are you feeling better or worse? Same? Yeah. Did they give me anything for the nausea and shit?
I think. Did they give?
Did they give you nausea?
I thought they gave you nausea pills or something, but
the pills.
I can't remember.
Oh.
They gave. I think they gave him some kind of nausea stuff.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure they. No. I don't know if they got the line in them or not.
Yeah.
They got an IV.
Tommy Powell later pleaded guilty to murder in Kenton County Court. Finally, on September 18, 2023, almost a year later, he was sentenced to life in prison.